His popularity cuts across age groups. His films draw packed houses from Lal Bagh to Leicester Square. Few movie stars enjoy the power that Shah Rukh Khan does. The Badshah of Bollywood is now betting his money on cricket. As his IPL team, the Kolkata Knight Riders, gets ready to set foot on the pitch, the star himself is happy to talk sports and entertainment. Shah Rukh, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Shah Rukh, let's start talking about IPL and your involvement with cricket first. Shah Rukh, how badly will Knight Riders be affected by Shoaib's absence in the team?
See, emotionally, I would say it's very badly affected for me, because I'm very fond of all the guys who are playing for Knight Riders, whether it is Cheteshwar Pujara or Shoaib Akhtar or Ricky Ponting, McCallum. Unfortunately, I haven't met them yet because I've been busy. So I want to tell all the guys, please, if you're watching this, I'm dying to meet you, but I'm just trying to get the back end of Knight Riders done, so I'll be there. They're already in Kolkata. I'm so sad that I couldn't be there to welcome them. As far as emotional part is concerned, yes, I mean, you take a team, and he's a controversial guy. He's had his downs and ups, and there were talks that, is he the right choice or not? And I stood by him, John Buchanan stood by him, Saurav stands by him, and we were very happy to have him. Finally everything was resolved at Shoaib. We were having chats. He's one of the only few players who met me even before the auction. And I said, listen, now you've got to lose weight, and you're going to bowl at the 160 kilometers an hour. You have to break the world record again and stuff like that. And I've known him for some time. As far as the performance is concerned, I've been made to understand, and I also truly believe performance is not by one person.
Sure.
It's 11 or 20 people who are playing. So John is very clear that, listen, we'll manage, don't be stressed. The first thing he sent me an email is, don't be worried about the cricket part of it. Yes, emotionally we all stand by it and we feel very bad, but the cricket part is handled. We have Umar Gul and great bowlers in the team, so that's really, and Ishant is performing like a killer, and all the guys, actually the whole team in the last 5 days, whether it's Shukla, whether it's Cheteshwar Pujara, whether it's Saurav Ganguly, whether it's Ishant Sharma, they've been rocking, man, and McCallum back home, so we are quite happy that way.
Are you hopeful of getting Shoaib Akhtar to play at some point in the tournament?
I get dreams that all his problems will be resolved, and on 18th he will take 3 wickets in the first over.
Okay.
I believe. I'm a believer like this. I'm mad like that.
Okay.
I don't know, I feel on 18th we'll land up in Bangalore. The first ball, Shoaib will look at us, put his thumbs up and take 3 wickets in the first over. I believe. He will be part of the team. We will, John also very clearly said, Saurav also very clearly said, he's part of a team. And hopefully if this matter goes beyond this league, we will stand by him and get him back next year and make sure that he practices and is still fit and gets over this emotional upheaval also.
Sure. You've always spoken, Shah Rukh, of being a sportsman at heart. Do you plan to be involved with things like strategy meetings, offering inputs on tactics? Will you be playing a role?
See, I'll give you an example. I'm a film producer. Story part, I'm good with. I involve myself. Music, I know nothing about. As a matter of fact, I've never been to recording of any of my songs.
Okay.
My own productions or any film. I've done now 17 years in this business. Maybe once I've dropped in to say hi to Sonu, or maybe to Sukhwinder, but never have I gone and participated in the music of my cinema. I don't know anything about music. So here also similarly, I don't think I'll be involved with actually making a strategy. Yes, I'll stand there and listen to it.
Okay.
Now they've told me a rule that I cannot go on the field because nobody's allowed. So that's ironic. I'm the owner of the team and I can't go on the field. If I'm allowed to go in the dressing room, I'll follow the rules. I'll listen to what they're saying. See, I was a player myself. So I'll see where it has gone, what do people say. I've played a role of a coach. So maybe again, if I have to do another part of a coach again, so I'll learn from what John is saying and Andrew Lapis is talking. It'll be interesting to be in that world if I ever need to even work it out for my film. But as far as strategy is concerned, I have one simple strategy. Go kick butt and win.
Okay.
I'm like, I don't know if you've seen Escape to Victory. I'm like Pele.
Okay.
I take the ball here, you go here, you go here, go here, score the goal. Simple. So my strategy is simple. Go kick butt and win the championship for Knight Riders. So that's my strategy.
There is some fear that the IPL will be more about the glitz and the glamour than really a serious cricket tournament.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Because just by virtue of now that I've got into the details, if one is looking at the fact, yes, it is going to... I'm very glad it started with the hype of, say, Shah Rukh Khan owning a team, Preeti having it, Akshay joining it, Hrithik joining it, Vijay Mallya is a personality, Mr. Ambani is a personality, Hyderabad has got its own stars, I've heard Chennai has got its own star. The controversies happening, problems happening, auction was very big. It's good because it's an event.
Sure.
But finally, it's about cricket, because when I was looking even at the entertainment section, it's only 10 minutes break, and they're very strict about it. We have an entertainment manager given by IMG, Colleen, who's very strict. She says, no, you come on the field at this time. So I said, we can dance on the field. She said, step on the field, I'll break your legs. So it's like very clear. You just come for that 10 minutes. So it's like, let's be honest and say, the breaks between cricket will be now a little more interesting.
Okay.
But the cricket will be the main interest.
Okay. Now, Kolkata is known to be one of the most passionate cities as far as cricket is concerned. How much of a challenge will it be to meet the expectations of those fans, really?
I'm working it backward. I'm expecting Knight Riders will win because of the following that Kolkata will give to the team. I think the fans... 2020 is also about, like people say that India won the World Cup because I was there. I don't think it's completely true, but I also believe it does add that little flavor that, you know, there's a whole fan base which is saying, come on guys, win. It's 20 overs. You get those 2 shots in the, sixer slot, and that's it. So I think Kolkata Knight Riders has a great chance because it has a lovely team. It has the most handsome owner.
Okay.
And the main thing is it's got the best fans. I truly believe that the backing we'll get in the home matches will be awesome.
Okay.
I mean, it will intimidate anyone because Kolkata is passionate.
Right. Tell me, which are the teams that will provide the biggest challenge, the biggest threat perhaps to Knight Riders in the IPL?
Honestly, if you ask me, our team will provide the biggest challenge to ourselves.
Okay.
We have to outdo us. I don't deride anyone. I have a lot of respect for sports people. So I can never say this team is better or worse. I believe Knight Riders, we own it, we believe it, it's the best team. And I think we'll always we'll perform fantastic in the first match, then hopefully, and then we'll have to perform better than that in the second. So I'm sure Saurav and John will work about a strategy that we have to beat ourselves every time. I don't think we really, I'm sure the strategy wise they must be discussing for individual players. Brett Lee bowls like this, so how do you whack him for a 4, or how do you not get out, or how do you bowl out Andrew Simmons and all. It's XYZ must be being worked out.
Right.
But I think all the teams are really good.
Okay.
And I'm not being diplomatic. I think all the teams are very good on paper. But 2020 is not about paper.
Sure.
2020 is about being there and hitting those balls or stopping those balls.
Okay. Tell me, Ishant Sharma, one of your star players, said recently that he's a big fan of Katrina Kaif and he's hoping that Shah Rukh Khan will introduce him to Katrina. Is that going to happen?
If Katrina agrees to come, and I've heard she's going to be one of the ambassadors for the Bangalore team. So when we go to play Bangalore, hopefully she'll be there, and I'll tell Katrina that Ishant is very fond of you and get an autograph for Ishant.
Okay.
But at this point of time, I'll tell Ishant to completely concentrate on just my autograph that I've given him on the check and play the match. But I think he's very sweet. He's a youngster and he said it very sweetly. I thought the way he said, yeah, Shah Rukh bhai se bolunga Katrina kaise mila do. I thought it's very sweet.
IPL now, also with the new show on television, with your endorsements, are we going to see you lesser and lesser on film?
No, I do 2 to 3 films a year. See, what happened is Robot fell through. I had these 3 months, Jan, Feb, March, April really. I wasn't doing anything. I had finished Om Shanti Om. I didn't have a film. I was planning Robot and Idiots. So I was doing these 2 films till August. Both the films fell through. It didn't happen. So I was like without work. So I said, okay, let me